Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Lipfidence Lip Lightening Lip Balm for men and women. Pigmented lips are very common and they may be caused by some factors which are not limited to smoking, allergic reactions, direct exposure to UV rays, hot coffee or tea, dehydration, lip picking, or lipping. Now, this unique blend of natural ingredients works to reduce pigmentation safely and effectively, revealing a more even, lighter tone. Enriched with vitamins and antioxidants, Lipfidence hydrates and protects your lips, keeping them soft and supple all day long. Experience noticeable lightening with consistent use. Your lips will feel and look healthier than ever. Lipfidence combines the power of nature with cutting-edge science. Whether you're looking to enhance your natural lip color or reduce the appearance of dark spots, Lipfidence is your go-to solution. It's suitable for all skin types and it's made for daily use. It's the perfect addition to your skin care routine. Say goodbye to dark, uneven lips and hello to a brighter, more confident you. Reverse the premature aging look caused by dark lips or smoker's lips, giving a natural-looking, supple, and kissable pink lip. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.